The majority of modern buttons are manufactured from unsaturated polyester resin, a thermosetting polymer that provides
Polyester resin can be colored, marbled, and finished to simulate virtually any natural material, including horn, shell, wood, and stone. Mother-of-pearl buttons are cut directly from freshwater mussel shells, providing the iridescent natural beauty that synthetic materials can only approximate. The facility produces buttons from multiple material families to serve every market segment, from fast fashion to luxury couture. Broadcasting creates the raw material blanks from which individual buttons are precision machined on CNC lathes. Color mixing in liquid resin creates the random streaking and depth that makes polyester buttons virtually indistinguishable from natural horn. Rod quality inspection prevents defective material from entering the precision machining process.
The turning department transforms raw resin rods into precision button blanks, at rates of thousands per hour per machine.
Button profile is one of the primary design elements, ranging from flat to domed to rimmed to concave. Thousands of raw blanks per hour from each machine accumulate in massive quantities. Carozo buttons are considered the finest natural button material, providing the look and feel of ivory without any animal product.
Snap buttons require the assembly of multiple tiny spring and socket components into a functioning press-fit closure.
5 material families, 1 essential product category.
Dyeing and finishing transform identical raw blanks into the infinite variety of colors and textures demanded by fashion.
Polyester resin accepts dye uniformly, producing colors that penetrate deeply and resist fading. Progressive polishing transforms dull, raw surfaces into the high-gloss or satin finishes consumers expect.
Surface finishing creates the visual and tactile character that designers specify for each garment collection. Lacquer coating protects decorative finishes against wear, scratching, and chemical exposure during garment laundering. Custom-branded buttons serve luxury fashion houses as a subtle but critical design detail.
Automated optical sorting inspects thousands of buttons per minute, rejecting any that deviate from the color or finish specification.
Every surface treatment creating the specific aesthetic each designer demands. Quality testing ensures buttons survive years of garment laundering, dry cleaning, and daily handling stress.
Button attachment strength testing ensures the button withstands the pulling forces of normal garment use.
Industrial laundry testing simulates the extreme conditions of commercial garment processing.
Color fastness testing ensures buttons maintain their color throughout the garment's lifetime.
Impact testing ensures buttons survive the accidental impacts of daily wear without cracking. Buttons must survive repeated solvent exposure during dry cleaning. Nickel-free compliance protects consumers from contact allergy.
Every button within specification.
Formal release after comprehensive testing.
Complete traceability.
Sorting and packaging must handle the extraordinary challenge of counting and organizing millions of tiny, identical items. Industrial customers purchase buttons by weight in bulk bags.
Custom orders replicate exact design specifications.
Massive button inventory, organized by thousands of specifications.
Global distribution.
Stop for this and keep going. You can't disperse it. Be on the brain soon, but it just be lost it.
Environmental monitoring. Billions of buttons departing for garment factories worldwide. Centralized monitoring of every press, lathe, and finishing line.
Mold maintenance preserves the micron-level precision of button geometry.
Complete operational overview. Each mold change introduces a new button geometry.
Quality and output coordination. Sustainable material innovation toward bio-based and biodegradable buttons. When darkness falls, the injection presses and CNC lathes continue their relentless production of billions of tiny fasteners.
Night production maintains identical precision and output. Billions of tiny, functional art pieces march through darkness.
Inside these machines, molten polymer becomes precision fashion components.
Manufacturing cleanliness maintained continuously.
An endless river of miniature fashion components.
The complete transformation from raw polymer to polished fashion component. Automated precision sorting at miniature scale.
One button, one of billions produced this year from precision molding.
This facility produces the small hidden detail that holds garments together and defines their visual character. Button selection is one of the most personal details in bespoke tailoring, affecting the entire character of the garment.
Designers evaluate buttons with the same intensity they bring to fabric selection, because buttons are visible, functional jewelry. Perfect button spacing and alignment is a hallmark of quality garment construction. The factory transforms raw polymer and natural materials into the tiny fasteners inside billions of garments. A facility producing more individual precision components than almost any other industry.
Fresh precision cutting on fresh resin rod.
Every press cycling, every lathe spinning, every tumbler polishing, every tumbler polishing.
Military buttons carry regimental history and rank, each design precisely specified by centuries of military tradition.
Every material serves a different aesthetic and application requirement. The complete journey from raw material to sorted, packaged button in one frame.
The beauty of natural nacre that no synthetic material can fully replicate.
Fabric-covered buttons provide perfect color matching with the garment fabric.
Toggle buttons serve the heritage outerwear market.
Snap fasteners are the fastest garment closure, opening and closing with a single motion. Shank buttons elevate above the fabric surface, allowing buttonhole clearance on heavy fabrics.
Cufflinks represent the highest expression of button craftsmanship.
The complete catalog serves every fashion segment, from fast fashion to luxury couture.
Children's novelty buttons add playful character to kids' clothing.
Natural horn provides warmth and character that varies with each button. Statement buttons transform garments into sculptural fashion. Sustainable packaging for the sewing and craft retail market. Workers arriving to produce 20 million tiny functional art pieces.
One button choice defines the entire visual character of a luxury coat.
Thread hole quality verified. The eternal production of fashion's smallest essential. Identical precision across billions of units.
The traditional skill of button sewing continues to be taught. Buttons are studied artifacts of fashion and social history.
Look at the consistency here on the infrared analysis. It's much cleaner than the last batch.
Yes, the thermal stability has definitely improved.
Button replacement extends the life of cherished garments. The collective precision of a factory producing billions of tiny fashion components. The eternal tumbling that transforms rough blanks into glossy jewels. Every button measured, every finish verified. As evening falls, the night shift continues creating fashion's tiniest essential.
One button. Resin, pigment, and precision machining. A tiny functional jewel hidden in every garment.
The button, the oldest garment fastener in human history. Behind it, a magnificent industrial